right there.
Ano ba nangyari dito? Sa kasino ba kayo?
We're from PBI at gusto ka naming makausap.
Ako? PBI? Bakit niyo naman ako gusto makausap? Miss, wala akong ginagawang masama.
Exactly, kaya mag-uusap tayo. Sumama ka sa akin.
Cassandra, let's go, let's go.
I guess you don't know I can fight, huh?
Chip.
Kaya ni Chip yan. Diba? Hello, excuse me. How's yours? Miss? Tol, buhay pa ba yan?
Baka na-trauma lang.
Miss? Are you alright? Anybody home? Are you with us?
Miss, okay ka lang?
Why is this happening to me?
This is happening because...
Why is this happening to me?
Tol, intindi ng tama niyan. Alis na tayo. Lumayo ka dyan. Halika na.
Chip, na-secure ko na lahat ng tools na ginamit nila sa resource scam. At dahil caught in the act sila, pwede natin ito ipasok as physical evidence kasama ng cyber evidence ng mga nakalap natin.
Ayos. Pati witness. Pasok.
May sasabihin ka pa?
May sasabihin pa ba ako na hindi niyo alam? Para din kay si Cassandra eh. Kuda ng kuda. Hindi naman alam yung nararamdaman ko.
How could you do this to me, Mariska?
Miss, tama na!
You don't know what it's like to watch someone have everything. Hindi mo alam, Cassandra. Kasi hindi ka naman naghirap eh. I did this because I just wanna be seen like you. Daya nga eh. Kasi ikaw, kahit anong gawin mo, ito-tolerate ka ng mga tao. Susuportahan ka nila. Kasi may pera kaya kung kahit anong gawin ko. At siya pwera pa din ako.
How is it my fault? Bakit parang kasalanan ko? I was just born rich.
You're hopeless. You spoiled, selfish nepo baby.
Can someone just arrest her already?
Ano po yan?
I said, just arrest her already.
Dali mo na ka.
Okay. Ma'am, may we go out?
You are should have trusted you.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll make sure you wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
So yun na nga, Chip. Nanalo pala si Alex Yana. Magkaibang pala yung badminton tsaka tennis, no?
Ay, nako, Heck.